We'll now move on to our next draw. So this is done for audit purposes only. The promotional prize for early bird. The prize is valued at $5,000, which will be provided as cash, or should the winning resident live in Victoria, then we'll provide it as $5,000 in cashable gold. If you're a member, you have automatic entry into the draw. To be eligible for this prize, the drawn ticket must be purchased in Lottery 464 on or before the 30th of October 2025 and be an active, uncancelled ticket. The ticket range starts at 10,003 and goes to over 1.3 million. We'll now commence the draw process. So there's been no change to the barrel. I'll empty the drawer, empty the barrel. Empty. Great. 10 spins. Count along, people. Here we go. Looks like we might have another winner. 0, 9, 9, 1, 5, 6, 8. That's 0, 9, 9, 1, 5, 6, 8. Can you double check? Because there's a lot of 9s and a lot of 6s there.
0, 9, 9, 1, 5, 6, 8.
Thanks, mate.
Oh, that is there.
We already have the green tick.
So, yep. Go there. Yep. Yep. Okay.
It's available, yes?
So it's that one there. 991568.
It's ready.
Oh. Sorry. Silly me. November. Victor. Charlie Alpha. Whiskey Alpha 64. 7 Sierra 7 Kilo. 162 Papa.
Purchase date?
15th of November.
What's on already?
November Kilo Hotel Kilo. Whiskey 79 Zulu. Foxtrot Bravo Hotel Foxtrot. 6 November 3 Romeo.
Cool.
Coomera.
Yeah.
Bundle size?
It was 20.
17 years.
Yep.
Okay. With the winning ticket number of 0991568 is M&D-M from Coomera, Queensland. Okay, this concludes our draw today. Thank you all and see you all next time.